मन में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जल के देख लेना, कैसे होती है हिफाजत मुल्क की, कभी सरहद पे चल के देख लेना. The esteemed Vice Chairman Sir, Directors Sir, prestigious guests, benevolent professors and dear college mates. Today we all have gathered to mark the other landmark success by celebrating our 74th Independence Day of our beloved country India. On this occasion of great pride and honor, I, Jyotsna Kamra, on the behalf of Geetharattan family, take immense pleasure to wish you all a happy Independence Day. Geetharattan International Business School was established in the year 2004. GIBS is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Delhi and is approved by All India Council for Technical Education, Ministry of HRD, Government of India for Technical Programs and Bar Council of India for Law Programs. GIBS is offering postgraduate programs MBA first and second shift, MBA International Business, MCA Integrated, and undergraduate programs BBA LLB, BA LLB and BBA. GIBS has been graded A by NAC. GIBS has been rated A+ by State Fee Regulatory Committee, a fee committee of Government of NCT of Delhi, and rated highest grading A by Joint Inspection Committee of Government of NCT of Delhi and GGS IP University. Yes, it is the time to remember and pay respect to who gave us freedom as we know it. The story of India's freedom struggle goes a way long back. From Sepoy Mutiny 1857, Indian National Congress 1885, Bengal Partition 1905, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre 1990, Civil Disobedience Movement 1930 and Quit India Movement by Mahatma Gandhi 1942. Following these struggles, slowly talks about granting freedom to India started. Though by 1945 there were clear signs of transfer of power, it took another 2 years and at last on August 15, 1947, the power was transferred to India, making it an independent country. Today, we are celebrating our 74th year of independence, but it was not easy. It was the relentless struggle of our countrymen that led to the birth of an independent India. We remember those who sacrificed their entire life for the sake of the country. Even though the struggle seemed to be never ending, yet our forefathers never gave up to the might of the British. When India attained freedom, the first Prime Minister, Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, addressed the entire country with his speech, Traced with Destiny. Since then, we have come a long way and have become one of the nations to be reckoned with. So, as we celebrate our 74th Independence Day, let us close our eyes and remember the struggle, sacrifices of those who dreamed of making India a great country. And thus, let us all come together and make India great. Now, may I request our Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Sri Anirudh Jindal, and Director Sir, Professor B.S. Hoti, along with all the faculty members to hoist the national flag.
शुभ आशीष मांगे
request our respected Vice Chairman Sir, Shri Anirudh Jindal, to address the audience.
We have witnessed before. Because we are confined to our homes because of coronavirus, for our own sake and during this testing time, we better understand the situation. Educational institutions have faced many challenges in order to reach this goal. We have put all efforts to get up in such challenging situations and reach to students through online teaching learning modes. I would like to appreciate all my faculty members here who have given their precious time from their homes 24/7 during that time of lockdown, and I cannot thank by words how much you are willing to listen to. But each and every minute spent on that computer screen and my screen is really appreciated. The motive that was that the students should not be deprived of learning. I am happy to share that we completed all our academic and other curricular activities on time.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving on to our event, we shall begin this auspicious day by welcoming our melody singer, who will touch your heart with his voice. Please put your hands together for Shubham Singh.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Oh my God, what a soulful performance. Shubham, you literally sing from your heart. For our Indian Army, I have written something. बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहाँ रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना। की है हिफाजत लहू देकर जिसकी हमने, उस वतन अजीम की रहती दुनिया तक कायम रखना। Moving on to our next performance, dancing on the rhythm of patriotism, our one and only Sushant Bhardwaj. Give him a big round of applause. Now this is what we call a true dancer, embodying true colors of India. Sushant, you stunned us every time. Now, to soothe our souls, we have Avya articulating her thoughts through poem written by Srijan Thomas. To appreciate their art, give them a big round of applause.
In the words of Srijan Thomas Daniel, on this occasion of Independence Day, I, Avya Arora, am here to recite a poem. The clock struck 12. The day was 15th, the month of August, and the year stated 1947. The black canvas of inky sky was filled with flashes of radiance. The loud roar of thunder startled and awakened a slave nation. From the land of slavery, we entered into the lands of free and clear sky. The land where Mahatma was born, the land of tricolor flag rising high. The nation molded from love, sweat and blood of our sages, peasants and martyrs. Seen everything from west to east, still the beauty of India, far mysterious and mesmerizing from the rest. It's the country with largest democracy, a country of festivals and courtesy, a country of cultural heritage and greatness. It's India, 73 not out, 73 not out, marching strongly towards kindness, marching strongly towards kindness. A very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Thank you so much, Avya, for such a wonderful poem that reminds us of our forefathers. On this note, we come to an end of our 74th memorable Independence Day. On the behalf of Geetharathan family, I shower a heartfelt gratitude to everyone who joined us today. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.